Alright, today we're going to bring a zapper, and right now we're outdoors. Alright, this is a bug zapper. We're going to bring it outdoors today so you guys can see it, because there's a lot of mosquitoes right now. So the only way to show you, demonstrate, is where the mosquitoes are at right now. At one light right now, they're all flying around there. We're going to turn this on in a bit, but first I want to talk to you about what's included. They include a remote control. Very simple. Timer off. Alright, different time modes, and then you have the on and off. And of course you got your manual, and included they give you 2 light bulbs. All right, those are the 2 light bulbs that you're going to require to attract all the bugs in here. Right, so right now I'm going to turn it on. There is a button on the side. I'm going to show you guys the button right here. There's an on and off button. It comes with a little, I like that they give you a little brush here, and it's perfect for brushing off any bugs that fall in here in place. All right, and just to be aware, this thing, keep it away from children and animals too. And of course, in the front you got a couple buttons: your power on, your light modes, your 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, and then clock. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. Power on, it turns on. You're gonna see it working. We're gonna turn off the light here. Oh, started working already. All right, with the remote control you could power it off. All right, you could completely turn it off, you could turn it on, and then you could change the timer. Right now we don't have it on timer, but we could just do timer. Right now, if you see in the bottom, you keep changing timers, and you could go back and forward and change the timer. Right now we're just going to keep it on, but the remote control comes in handy if you have it outdoors. Just be aware, this is not waterproof, so just keep it away from the actual moisture. Make sure it's either hanging. They give you a chain so you can hang it up, but it's pretty much ready to go, ready for summer, ready for those bugs. Take it camping. Hope you guys enjoy the video.